Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a classified vehicle site or a motor selling site or anything related to car bargain. So currently I have this blank WordPress theme, WordPress website with 2024 theme activated. There are no posts, no pages, no media yet. So this is a fresh WordPress installation. For starting up a motor classified or a car selling website, you have to install a plugin. Just go to add plugin and search for motors. Press enter. This is the plugin by StyleMix. It's called Motors Car Dealership and Classified Listing plugin. Install it. Okay, if you see this error, this could be the permissions issue. You can fix this by two methods. First of all, go to your WordPress folder. Either it's on your MacBook, your Windows PC, or on a server like a cPanel. So go to the config file, edit the config file. I'm using this VS Code editor. Add a line here. Type define fs underscore method, all in capital, space comma direct. Save it and go to the plugin installation page again, refresh it, reload. Now click install now. It will take a couple of minutes because it's a huge plugin. Activate. Okay, now here is the installation wizard which will self guide you. Start installing plugin. It will require some basic plugins. Name, custom fields. Add some custom fields. If you need some custom fields, for example, instead of price, you need another field like rent price or anything like that. You can add this. Look, like rent price. It's a number. Choose icon. Let's add a dollars icon. Show and filter like this. Yes. Option right. Okay, next. Save it. And next. Filters left sidebar or right sidebar. Usually it's on left side, so we'll keep it. Default desktop view, list or grid. We will view it as list because grid will have very less information, but in list we have a lot more room for more information. Compare button, yes. Add to favorite button, yes. Add to favorite is also needed. Currency setting US dollars, currency symbol dollar sign, currency position left, decimal thousand separator, it's comma or it's dot, whatever you want. So in our country it's comma. Next step, New user registration on. People can register to your website. Email confirmation, yes. So whenever a user create an account, or he forgets a password, or he want to um, register or anything, any email sent by the system is enabled. Free listing submission, yes, on. Everyone can add their listings if this is a classified site, and even if this is a car selling website, you can add payment gateway, which can send payment directly to the user, or it can be split by admin. So you can have your cut and the rest of the payment will be sent to the user. Listing publication limit allows you to set the maximum number of images that can be uploaded for each listing. Okay, 10 images, images per listing, 12. Listing pre-moderation, the listing will need an admin approval before publication of. If you want to add a moderation, like whenever someone add a listing, you have to manually approve it, or it should be automatically approved, so you can turn it on or off. Next, motor skin or theme, not installed. So let's install motor skins. Next, there are some free plugins required. So Elementor is necessary. Elementor header and footer builder, contact form 7. Install these plugins. It will one by one install all plugins and move to next step. By this setup, it will automatically build a dummy website with dummy contents so that you can replace them with your actual contents. Click on next. Okay, now we have a free version classic view for the single listing page, like image in the middle, on the right some details, descriptions are from bottom. So these four are the pro version. We are using the free version, so that classic is fine for me. Click next. Custom fields done. Sample listing importing done. Now it will import all these demo contents from their live server, and which will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes maybe. So let's see. You will also get the idea how much time it is taking to import the listings. Page generation could barely take approximately a few seconds, 4 to 5 seconds, but the most time consuming was the sample listing post, because these contains images and other data. That is why it's taking time. So pages are already done. Now next step, you can view your website, or you can start by adding your lists. So if you click add listing, then there will be a form where you can add a new car, a new vehicle. Like, you can give the title, the description, mark as featured. There are some places where you can show featured properties or featured vehicles. That is option for this one. Okay, now you can rent price, condition, rent price. This was the custom field added by us on the first step of the wizard. Okay, their make, model, body, year, mileage, transmission, engine, all the necessary detail for a car is listed here. Now come to pricing, the regular price label, regular price description, sale price, and instant saving label. Some extra features like APS, air active suspension, adaptive suspension, or Bluetooth CD player. These all features can be selected for this car. Images and videos. You can add the image gallery. You can choose multiple images for one listing. You can also add a Vimeo or a YouTube video URL here, so that your users can see what this car looks like or what is the condition. Location, where is the car available? The longitude, latitude is also available, but if you give the address, for example, if I choose Islamabad and let's save it, maybe it appears the longitude, latitude by itself. Other details, it's VIN number, stock number, manufacturing date, all these details, so that when you publish this, it will automatically add a new car. Now let's visit your website and see how it looks like. The dummy website is ready. You can see the menu, compare profile, add your items, which was the add listing page, which I just showed you. Select make. These are the filters for searching. You can choose any make, model, year, and condition to choose from. Let's choose. Let's scroll down. You have some brands listed. You can list them by brand. If you click on any of these, all these cars will be listed. Popular item, recent items, featured items. So this is the featured item where we can make that checkbox on the add listing page, and that car will be shown here. So you can see all these dummy data are here, and it's ready to use and ready to edit. If you click on edit with Elementor, you can change any of these contents. So that was all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.